All right, so this is a movie streaming on my factory system in my TRX. I am in a empty parking lot, so you can see that the video does work while in motion. Thanks for tuning in and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can receive notifications when I post new videos. Today we are in the TRX. And for those of you who are familiar, before the TRX, I had a Chevy Silverado Black Widow Edition. And with that truck, one of the things that I did to it was to change the factory radio out to a Phoenix Android radio, which is basically a 12-inch tablet with the Android-based operating system. A big difference from the factory radio because you're able to play YouTube, any other apps that play videos. You could just plug in your USB and play videos from your device, your phone, or a hard drive. And it was very convenient. So that radio ran off of hotspot. I used my phone to connect the radio to Wi-Fi using the phone hotspot, and I was able to access internet and do a lot of other things using the Android-based platform. So when I traded to get this truck, that was one of the things that I was definitely going to miss. The screen is a little bit slimmer, but I quickly got used to it. I did see a few people that were able to stream videos and looked like they were accessing YouTube from their vehicle on the factory radio. I like this screen, so this isn't a screen that I would modify. I wouldn't take this out to put a Phoenix Android radio in it just for the functionality of having the Android-based operating system to access YouTube and other apps. So I saw a few people that were able to access the applications, and I found out that there's a company, there's actually multiple companies, but one of those companies is called Stream to Your Car. You plug up a box to your radio as long as your radio is Apple CarPlay or Android CarPlay compatible. So I checked out the website and I ordered one of these boxes to see how well they work. Yesterday I received my package, and today I'm going to unbox it, and we're going to go through how easy it is to set this up. And get this working on the factory radio. So I ordered the box itself and another accessory to go with it, which I'll go through later on in this video. So here we have the instructions before you install. It's basically a warning and telling you how to get this installed on your vehicle. So this is the box that it comes in. So let's go ahead and open this up and get started. All right, so this is the device. It's very compact. You have your media box device there. And there's another box, which should be the cable. So in this box you have, this is a GPS antenna. And here's your USB cable. There are a couple options that you could go with. I decided to get the stream box that had the USB-A cable with it. You can also opt for one with the USB-C. If you have a TRX, either one will work. A lot of newer cars do have both options, which is good. So the box itself, you have on one side there's a USB-C connection, the other side there's a USB-A connection. So since we have the USB-C to USB-A, I'm going to plug the USB-C in on the box, and then it would plug into the USB-A port on the vehicle. Okay, so we have the cable plugged in. This is the USB-C side going to the stream box, and then we're going to plug the USB-A side up to the truck. I'm going to start the truck up now so that we can go ahead and see how everything works. Alright, so I actually did a video and I forgot that the air was on, so the video was kind of noisy. So I'm going to go through, plug everything up, and show you how it's supposed to work. You want to plug your device up to your USB here. And you're going to wait for the light. There's a green light for the device to boot up. Once it turns solid, it should be about to pop up on your screen. So this warning comes up just saying that you shouldn't watch videos while you're driving. And then you have the default apps that are at the bottom. You can scroll till you see your settings here. You want to click on your settings and go to the Wi-Fi connections. Once you turn your hotspot on your phone, you'll see your mobile hotspot appear here. I use an Android device. This also works with the Apple devices. And you just turn your hotspot on, you'll see your network appear here. You click on the network, go ahead and type in your password. It'll say it's connected, and then you'll see this icon here. It normally has a line through it showing that it's not connected. Once it is connected, you'll see there's no line. There's two arrows showing that there's data transmitting there. Once you hit the home button, which is at the lower left, your stream box is now connected. So from here, we can go to YouTube, which I rearranged the apps, and I'll show you how to do that. We'll click on YouTube. It's asking me for my password because I did enter in a account. So it's just asking me to verify a few things. Give me one moment. Okay, so the reason for that was because after I tested the YouTube, I went back and downloaded a couple things from the Google Play Store, and that's when I added my email address, but I didn't go back to YouTube to confirm everything. So as you can see here, we're on YouTube, and I'll just go to my channel. Just click on the first video here. So as you can see, the sound plays with no problem. The quality of the picture is good. You have the same controls like you would on any other device. You can scroll through. So this works pretty good. So far, so good with this. I'll show you how I rearrange the apps. Like I said, you always can click the button at the lower left here, which brings up going back to your home screen. You can leave that like picture in a picture, or click the X and close out of the YouTube video that was there. So to change your apps here, you just want to hold down on one of the applications. It's going to bring up the home page of the way your apps are set up, and if you want to change anything, you just touch and hold, drag to the new location. So it's 9 apps that it's going to keep on that main page there. Whatever app you want in whatever order, you can put them there, and the last app of 9 is going to drop off, and you can change the order. So that's a cool feature that they have there. This is back to the home screen. You can see the time is automatically updated. YouTube, Prime Video, Google Chrome, the maps. I'm probably not going to use the maps application here. I have navigation on the truck, and I usually may use navigation from my phone. But if you would like to use this maps application, it did come with the GPS antenna, which can be easily installed, and that's going to give you the most accurate directions. The same goes for if you want to use Waze, I guess, or any other type of navigation services. So the device here works as expected. The other accessory that I got was a remote. This is called a wireless mouse remote, and you're able to control the cursor on this side. On the back side, you have a keyboard, a QWERTY keyboard, where you can type in whatever you may be looking for. This works by Bluetooth, so it comes with a dongle that you're going to plug into the back of the Streambox. This is the dongle piece here. I'm going to go ahead and plug that up. It's very likely that the remote will need to be charged. So you can see here, I'm not touching the screen. And you're able to select different applications with the remote. Be able to turn this up also. Let's see here. Alright, so the remote's going to work from the device volume. So you can turn it up there and turn it down. So you would just keep your device volume or the radio volume up, and then this would be controlling the device volume itself. Level with the footprint. So that's pretty cool too, and convenient. So this remote is rechargeable. It has a micro USB that's used to charge this. So I'll do another review on this later once I get a chance to use it a little more and go through how the keyboard works on this device too. So thanks for tuning in to this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get the notifications when new videos are posted. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.